This homemade single-serving waffle recipe is a classic. See just how easy it is to make crisp, golden, and delicious waffles for one person. No need to make a big batch. This waffle recipe serves up the perfect amount. Preheat the waffle iron. Spray with non-stick cooking spray or brush with melted butter. Beat 1 large egg in a bowl until fluffy. Add a half a cup of milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of butter that we've melted, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix these ingredients together well. Whisk in the 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and mix gently until combined. When the indicator light turns on, your waffle iron is ready. Pour the batter on the iron and close it. Depending on the size of your waffle maker, you might have too much batter. If so, use a little bit of the remaining batter to make a second, smaller waffle. As a general rule, once the steam stops coming out of the unit, the waffle should be done. Lifting the lid too soon can cause the waffle to stick to the plates. Lift the waffle out of the waffle iron with a pair of tongs or fork. The waffle should be golden brown and crisp when it's finished cooking. Add your favorite toppings and enjoy. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit onedishkitchen.com where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.